What if I told you that you can start making money online today without huge investments, fancy skills, or even leaving your home? In the next 10 minutes, I'll share 10 proven ways to earn passive and active income in 2025 that are working right now. Don't scroll away, because these opportunities might be gone in a few years, and someone else could be cashing in on what you miss. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Watching others travel, invest, and live freely while you're stuck at a job you barely enjoy? The traditional system wasn't made for people like us to get rich. But what if you could break free? What if you could make money, even while you sleep, using smart automated systems that actually work in 2025? This isn't a fantasy, these are real strategies used by real people. Today, I'm breaking down the 10 most powerful ways to make money online in 2025. These aren't recycled ideas, these are real actionable strategies that are already changing lives. Imagine building a YouTube channel without ever showing your face, speaking a word, or editing for hours. This is YouTube automation, and it's how people are making 5,000 to 50,000 plus per month, with AI doing 80% of the work. AI writes the scripts, generates voices, creates videos, and even uploads them. All you need is a profitable niche and consistency. And the best part? Once your videos are up, they keep making money, even while you sleep. Let's start with one of the most direct methods: binary options trading. Platforms like Pocket Option let you predict market movements and earn up to 90% returns in minutes. It's risky, yes, but with proper strategies, risk management, and a demo account to practice, many are turning this into a serious side income. What if you could create stunning videos without any filming, cameras, or complicated editing? AI video creation tools like Runway and Pictory are revolutionizing content creation, turning text into engaging videos in minutes. This means you can scale your channel faster than ever, pumping out content that attracts views and subscribers, all on autopilot. Don't just watch others grow their channels while you're stuck behind the camera. Step into the future now. What if you could earn commissions by recommending products without ever handling sales or support? Affiliate marketing is booming, but the real game changer is using AI to build optimized sales funnels that convert like crazy. AI tools analyze buyer behavior, craft personalized emails, and run ads that target the right audience, all automatically. Imagine waking up to sales notifications while you're doing literally anything else. This isn't hype, it's happening now. Think about this. What if your knowledge could become a money-making machine? Online courses are exploding in demand, and the best part: you only create them once, and they keep selling over and over. Whether it's trading, business skills, or even niche hobbies, people pay handsomely to learn from experts. This is your chance to transform your experience into income that scales without limits. Don't wait to be an expert. Start sharing what you know today and watch your impact and income grow. What if you could own a slice of real estate without buying a whole property? Real estate crowdfunding lets you invest small amounts in big projects, earning rental income and property appreciation, all managed by professionals. It's the modern way to build wealth through property without the headaches of being a landlord. Imagine your money working for you, growing steadily while you focus on what matters most in life. This method is trusted by millions, and it's time you join them. What if you could sell custom designs on t-shirts, mugs, and more, without holding any inventory or shipping products yourself? Print on demand lets you create and sell your own unique designs on everyday products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and phone cases. Using platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble, your designs get printed and shipped automatically when customers buy. No upfront costs or inventory headaches. All you need is creativity and some marketing skills. Focus on niche designs that people love, from funny quotes to art or trending topics. The POD market is growing fast, and with low risk, it's a fantastic way to build a passive income stream. No inventory, no shipping, just your creativity turning into cash. Why choose between Forex and crypto when you can master both? Forex trading lets you tap into the largest currency market in the world, trading major currencies 24/5 with smart strategies. Meanwhile, Binance opens the door to the fast-growing world of cryptocurrencies. Trade, stake, and earn 24/7 with digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Combining Forex and Binance crypto trading gives you the ultimate flexibility and potential to generate income anytime, anywhere. This is how you take control of your financial future in 2025. These 10 powerful ways to earn money online in 2025 are real, proven, and waiting for you to take action. The only question is, are you ready to change your life? Start today, stay consistent, and watch your income grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Finance Drift for more top strategies and tips. Remember, your financial freedom starts with the first step. Take it now.